Now that we have our two colors of paracord spliced together, we're going to thread it through the buckle. Notice that there's two parts to the buckle, the outside and the inside, the large fat part and the smaller part that clips in. We're going to use the large fat part. Also notice that there's a top and a bottom to the buckle. It's got a curve or a contour to it. That's the bottom that's going to be towards your wrist. That's the top that's going to be on the outside. So we're going to use the fat part of the buckle and we're going to thread from the top through to the bottom. Just work it through there. And pull it down through the bottom. So now we've got it looped through. When you loop it through, make sure that the spliced part of your paracord is about 1/2 inch from the buckle. Now we're going to pass the ends of our paracord through that loop and pull them tight. Again, when you do this, make sure your splice is approximately 1/2 inch from the buckle when you tighten it up. Pull it till it's nice and firm, and what you should have is a loop on the top half of the buckle.